Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host.
Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna, and this morning we're visiting with Janey Cline. She's the Hart County Extension Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences. Good morning, Janey.
Good morning, Joanna.
Now, Janey, how fun is this? If you have a foodie on your Christmas list, we have some kitchen gadgets that we're going to talk about, and all these are healthy.
They are, because you know, New Year's brings New Year's resolutions, you know, and so what a great way to get a good start on that New Year's resolution by putting on your Christmas list some neat gadgets that's going to help you want to get in the kitchen. You know?
Absolutely, because a lot of times if we'll eat at home, it's so much more healthy for us than if we go out and eat fast food all the time. So if we have some fun gadgets to try out,
right,
we might eat at home more, and that's how we're going to make this healthy.
Yeah.
So where are we going to start today?
Well, let's start with a steamer.
Okay.
You know, there's a lot of different kinds of steamers. This one particular goes in the microwave.
Okay.
So you can just, you know, put your water in the bottom and then you put your food on top. And
I was about to say, this is way fancier than my metal steamer that I put in a pot. So you put the water in the bottom and your food on top.
Yes, and then you have a vent, of course, you know, that you can close or open. But it only takes just a few minutes to maybe do some broccoli or cauliflower or something like that. And, you know, you have a great steamed vegetable that you can add to your meal that you've cooked in your Instapot or whatever, you know. And so it's a great tool to have. Any kind of a steamer is a great tool to have.
Absolutely, because steaming helps us keep some of those nutrients in,
it does,
right?
It does. And so, you know, there are electric ones. There are, you know, like I said, the microwave, or like you mentioned, you know, the ones you just use on your stovetop.
Those are a little harder to wash. I might need to look into one of those. So if y'all are watching at home, maybe.
Yes, yes. Another real staple for the kitchen is a good cutting board. And if you can get one that you cut your meat on and your vegetables on, that's a for sure thing that you need. This particular kind goes into the dishwasher, so it's really easy to clean up. But also, I like it because you can chop it and then fold it and pour it into your bowl, where if you're using like a wooden one or something like that, it's a lot harder, you know, to get into the bowl because you're either like gathering it up with your hands or whatever. So it's really neat to use, and it's just a fun thing to use.
It's convenient, and we can reduce cross-contamination by using the color codes.
Yes, by using both. So you for sure need at least two, you know, to be able to do that. Another fun tool is a small chopper, because you can, a lot of times you don't want to drag out that food processor or whatever, you know, to chop your...
one onion.
Right, exactly, exactly. So you can just pull out the small one and get the job accomplished. And then there are also other choppers on the market. This is one that I had at my house, actually, and you just kind of use it, rocking it back and forth to chop with. Of course, a good sharp knife, you know, is also a great tool to have. And a lot of times we have knives in our drawers, but we don't have a good sharp one. And so it's really important to have that. So that'd be a great thing to invest in.
Yeah, a really nice knife.
Yes, yes. But here's my favorite appliance that I think is so handy, because you can make smoothies with it. You can if you use the whisk, you can make whipped cream, you can make some eggs. There's just all kinds of things that you can make with this immersion blender. And it's so much easier than getting out the big blender. And it's also so easy to clean up, because basically you'll just wipe this down, throw this in the dishwasher, and you know, you're done. So it's a great tool to have.
Yeah, especially, you know, some soups require that would be a great
cream
thing to
soups is perfect for this. So yes, I would definitely put that on my list if
and
I
they're
had
not
a
very
foodie.
expensive.
They're not. Actually, this one I think was like $15 maybe, something like that. So they're not expensive. Of course, you can get, you know, nicer ones. This was just one I had in the office, you know, but had to pick it up one day when we were making smoothies. But, you know, you can go on up in a higher price range and get some really nice ones.
Yeah, and so know your cook, know what they would use, know what they like to cook.
Right.
And some of these things can make their life a lot easier.
It can.
And then we can get in the kitchen more. And I know, Janey, we have a lot of information at the Extension office to help people do that.
We have a lot of pubs and just a lot of information in general.
All right. So if you're working on your Christmas list, you might add some of these things on there. Thanks, Janey, and coming and sharing with us, and we appreciate you watching. Have a great day.
If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.